What does mechanical design engineers do? Design process plays a vital role in any industry as it provides engineers and professionals with the essential blueprints for systems and products that meet society's technical requirements. From that perspective, engineers who are responsible of the design process should be able to conduct research into the feasibility, design, operation, and performance of mechanisms, components, and systems. Design power plants, machines, and equipment. Analyze dynamics and vibrations of mechanical systems and structures. Supervise and inspect the installation of mechanical systems. Develop maintenance standards, schedules, and programs. Investigate mechanical failures or unexpected maintenance problems. Plan and manage projects, and prepare material, cost and timing estimates, reports, and design specifications for machinery and systems. Prepare contract documents and evaluate tenders for industrial construction or maintenance. Supervise technicians, technologists, and other engineers and review and approve designs, calculations, and cost estimates. Thank you for your time.